Hey guys, it's Ryjen here. I'm going to do a showcase of a toolbox. Yes, I'm going to showcase KYT Tools. What is this? I don't need this stuff. Mario, what are you doing here? A stupid bell. Okay, so here's our toolbox. Okay, let's open the box. I don't know how to actually open this. Whoa, this is a toolbox. I told you this is a toolbox. Whoa. Wow. Stinks. I don't know how to actually get those out. Yeah, this is definitely a toolbox. A toolbox. Here. Oh. Stop it, gravity. Okay, screwdriver. Here are the blades. Here are this for the screwdriver. Back. Okay. Here we go. And this and the hammer, don't you dare rush me screen now. Take this, you stupid baby wipes. Man, so hammers are powerful. What is this? Okay, last one, the scissors. There's one more. There's one more. So we need to move these. Okay. Okay. The toolbox is empty. You don't need this. Okay. We're gonna lead to the first tool I ever got on the toolbox. They don't really do the thing, huh? Okay, so this is shears. I think it's shears. I don't know if it's shears. It looks similar to pliers. And this thing looks similar to the pliers, but I don't know what tool this is. I think this is a kind of tool used for construction. So that's it for this tool. So stupid. Next is this pliers. It's used for I don't know what it's used either. They can be used to scratch things. One of its uses. Okay. Okay, so this is a pliers. It's hazardous use for kids. I mean, for small children. So, okay. So, here is our cutter that I don't know how to use. I don't know how to operate it either. Oh, come on. Very easy. No, it's not. I think this is a car. Right? Oh. Stupid. Useless. What is this? This is the fourth tool actually. What is this? It has green water in it. What is that? Acid or What? And I can't seem to get in the wall. What is this tool? Let me know in the comment section. Some kind of this fifth tool. Philip said this, whatever. Screwdriver. Sixth tool. This accessories for it. No. Come on. Okay, so you can put in. There we go. Now an absolute screwdriver. How to put those back? Oh, come on. It's better to be easy to open. Oh my god. This is stop. Okay. That's blades of the screwdriver. You don't need this. No, not this again. This chaos or whatever. Yeah. Okay. Screwdriver. Okay, so what is this? This is not a tool. This is not a tool either. What is this again? 7 tool. The hammer can be used to hammer put some bang some nails in like this. I know I'm not using nails, but that is just an example. In second thoughts, I think this tool is also used for destroying things like toys, laptops and stuff for rage, something like that. So like hammering is more like this. Yes. That. Oh no. I think I made an accident on the white. Now I have to buy a new one. The war. Stupid tool. Hammer my knees works. No. Okay. 8th tool. What is this? Huh? I don't know how to use it. Huh? What is this? Huh? What the? Oh, I don't know how to use this one. 9th tool. Seriously? Just large scissors. It's used for cutting paper. Makes sense. But that's still a basic tool. A kitchen tool anyway. The 9th tool, the measuring tape, which is the most awesome of them all. There. Okay. It may be a violent. Yes, it's more like that. It can be violent. Oh man. And oh my god, stupid thing. That hurts. Oh great. Okay. Stupid books. How many what is it? How many meters is this book? 11 meters? No problem. If you have trouble with rulers, use this instead. It's more useful and more impressive than rulers. The 2D rulers, which are the original ones. I told you not to get lost. Stop it. Stop it, camera. Stop it. Okay. Okay. Some weird things in Africa. Well, the gestures. The palm gesture is used for cursing someone in Africa. Why? Is that their tradition? Oh yes. I forgot about this thing. This thing. I only need it anyway. This video's 10 minutes already. Okay, so this toolbox is empty. Now it's time to put all the tools back. I don't need this thing. Seems like some bag used for traveling, but no. This box is used for tools. Okay, KYK Tools. Okay, let's put those back. Oh no! Forgot what shape it is. I think this is for a scissor. Oh no! Dot or chore! Whatever. For the tape. Where is this thing placed? Where's the screwdriver? And where do those things come from? I don't see them the first time I see this toolbox. Oh. I just forgot. Hey. Oh, come on, cutters. What are those? Shears again? Nope, wrong. Wrong, this is pliers. Okay. What? This is impossible. This is useful. No! It is this one! Why does it not fit? Why does it not fit? So bad. Come on. You better fit here. Come on. Fit. Fit in this. What happened? There we go. Stupid toolbox. I think it's okay. Time to put where the weird things are there. But yeah, I forgot about this tool. I don't know where it's placed. Here? Right here? I think it is. Ah! Why? Does this thing exist? Okay. Wait. Where's the circular? Where's the circular screwdriver blade? I told you not to fall. Okay. Still have holes in them. What did I put holes in them? This is for this? Yes. What is? Oh my god. Where is it placed? Here? This is placed in nowhere. I think that's it. Okay. Time to close this. Ugh. Spools. Come on, spools. Oh, come on. It was ruined now. And it's 30 minutes in the video already. Tools. Ah! You stupid. Why are you out of your place, screwdriver? Screwdriver. Come on. Yes. Ha. Didn't know you cannot escape.
Okay.
Yes, I'm just showcasing the tools. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time. I don't know what time, but I'll upload another video today. Okay. So bye bye. See you later. Thanks for watching. So if you want, okay. See you soon.